Alright, this video is going to be how to remove the glue and the tape on the underside of body side molding. There's what you need, two things to get glue off. You need heat and you need chemicals. And on the chemicals you can use either, can they see this, 3M all-purpose, general purpose adhesive cleaner. Works pretty good. Goo Gone works pretty good, but you can't use that until you get this thick tape off, and there's really no good way to get it off without heat. So you have to go borrow your wife's hairdryer, and once you get all that off, then you come back with the adhesive and a cloth, and you'll just rub the rest of it off pretty easy. So I've got the hairdryer. You're going to need a little flat tool like this. You need a glove for your right hand if you're right-handed, left hand you're left-handed, because it's going to get real hot in there when you're working. Maybe a cup of coffee, because it's going to take you a few minutes. So anyway, let me get started and I'll show you exactly how this is going to work. And it works great. Turn it on hot as it'll go. So come on in here, baby, where they can. And I'm going to point this heat right here at my furthermost spot where I want to start. Now, it's going to take just a few seconds or maybe a minute to get it started. You got to get it hot. It won't work if it's not hot. And then you get up under it and just start pushing that glue. And it wouldn't push up like this if it wasn't hot. You'd have a problem. And now as you go along, just keep that heat on it and work your way along like this. And as you can see, got to put a fair amount of pressure on there. It begins to come off. You want to go ahead and get this out of the way, because if you don't, when it cools back off, it's going to stick again. So you do want to go ahead and kind of keep it. I've had my gun here the whole time, keeping it hot. And so you just work your way right on down the truck or car or whatever you're working on, and you can see how that's working. Now down here below on this part, there's some more, and you got to get right on it with the heat. That's not quite hot enough, so I'm gonna let it heat up a little bit more. And now that heat's causing it to release. And there you have it. So that's going to be the best way to get this excess glue and all off from under your body side molding when you get ready to replace body side molding on your project. I hope that helps you out. It took me a while to figure it out, so have a good day. Bye.